My name is Joso. I'm the CTO of Huawei EBG Solutions. Just imagine a world without electricity. What will your life be? All I can think of is going back to the Stone Age. It is not a pleasant experience because electricity is already a necessity in life and we cannot live without it. Today, I would like to talk about Huawei Smart Grid Solutions. In the past, many of the grid operations are running in silos. Today, Huawei Smart Grid Solution covers from the upstream operation like solar power generation, management, call center, transmission network management, and monitoring of electricity downstream network wireless and wire communication for distribution automation, power distribution, CCTV, voice and data communication along the power line, AMI metering, and finally electricity consumption at your home. By having the whole grid network connected, you will have many information at your fingertips. Information such as electricity leakage and theft can easily be detected by measuring the actual usage and the actual production. Let me do a demo. To ensure the whole grid network connected is being running smoothly, reliable communication is vital to manage and to monitor the whole networks. Fiber online monitoring is to use our N2510 line assurance system under Huawei U2000 series to check the fiber is operational and detect faults if any. Before the electricity is delivered to your home, the source of electricity is managed by the substation for accurate distribution automation. Double power source will be able to switch over to another power source if one has failed to ensure continued electricity supply to your home. Traditional grid operations have changed due to greener power generation, and that also generated a huge number of smaller grids and devices. Solar power, wind power have changed the way consumers use electricity. Globalization or regionalization of grids have changed the way. All these are undergoing many changes in the coming years. This is Huawei Inverter Smart PV Controller, and it is part of our Fusion 5.0 solution. The primary function of this is to convert DC to AC power so that electricity can be used by consumers. Here is the whole concept. Once the electricity is captured from the solar, the Smart PVC controller provides a centralized management system to monitor the delivery of electricity through PLC to smart transformer to booster and then to the grid ready to be used. The use of the 4G LTE to provide high-speed wireless communication for cloud calculation and big data platform. Here, we are trying to simulate some of the major operations of grid industry in the field. The first one is remote real-time control of devices in the field. The second one is mesh architecture for substation to ensure substation can be switched over in no time to avoid blackout of electricity. Here is Huawei technology to be located in a substation. This includes the optical core OSN 1800V, optics OSN 550, and core routers. The whole architecture provides three major functions for the substation. The first one is hard and soft pipes. That is, one platform offers both SDH, OTN, and MPLS soft pipe for reliable communication between the substation. Huge bandwidth with 40 gigs lines card to support different applications, and smooth evolution packet network within the MPLS networks. In a big city with suburban areas, wire access may not always be available. Our solution for distribution automation is so flexible by using XPON or the ELTE to meet all data access scenarios. By adopting our DA solutions, all industrial switches can be used to implement different types of networking schemes using wire or wireless communications. Another feature of our DA solution is diverse service. That is to assure the smooth functioning of telemetering, remote signaling, and remote control system, as well as bandwidth-hungry services such as the video monitoring systems. At last, regarding the safety, XPON supports anti-sniffer and MAC anti-spoofing. ELTE supports user authentication and encryption over air interface. Above me are the ELTE distributed base station and ELTE IoT base station for wireless communication to be used for distribution automation scenario. One of the most popular topics today, and that is the AMI solution using smart meters and concentrators. Once this solution is adopted, many manual operations can be replaced automatically using wire or wireless technology. For example, checking the reading of electric meters, service provisioning. With big data in place, future production of electricity will be more accurate and as a result, a lot more cost saving by deploying our AMI solution. Here is a typical architecture of Huawei AMI solution from the cloud, pipe, and device perspective. At the bottom level, there are actually two basic networks, wired PLC IoT using MSTP, PON, and Ethernet, and wireless ELTE IoT using the ELTE GPRS for data transmission to our IoT platform. The IoT platform will provide a multi-vendor protocol to be used by different applications. The first one is narrowband wireless AMI solution by the use of unlicensed spectrum, like the ELTE IoT base station. Within a distance of 1 kilometer to 3 kilometers, this method will capture data from 1,000 terminals in a densely populated area and 5 to 8 kilometer coverage in remote suburban areas. If the distance to the central master station is too far away, we can use up to 3 relay or 3 hops to achieve the data collection process to the master station. This method can also apply to gas and water meters, as power line communication is not always available for these meters. The methodology using broadband PLC to improve 20+ time collection speed than the traditional one can have speed up to 2 megabits per second and got 100% successful rate. This could enable the real-time metering and reduce billing cycle from 3 months to 1 minute. The use of this method is simple and highly interference, and efficiency can improve by 30%. A good reference is for Nigeria. After the implementation of our AMI solution, monthly line loss has reduced by 55%. Compounded growth rate of the monthly case flow increased by 38%. PLC IoT enhanced new services roll out from 4 days to 1 day and improved O&M efficiency by 50% and up. Finally, I would like to introduce our home smart energy solution by using our home use inverter. You can build smooth and green solar energy for your home. Once energy is captured from the sun, our inverter will convert DC to AC power for your home lightings, air conditioning, and appliances. In some countries like China, not only you can get free electricity by installing our home smart energy solutions, surplus electricity can also be sold back to the grid company as an extra bonus. In our view, future electricity inside a household can be managed accordingly very effectively as digitalization is gradually accomplished. We believe all-in-one box for every single household to manage the usage and electrical appliances will become the future trend. Huawei is committed to bring digital to every person, home, and organization for a fully connected intelligent world. At this second, more than 100,000 substations are optimizing their transmission across the globe. Huawei's leading new ICT is helping over 170 electricity enterprises building smart grids. Thank you for your time and see you very soon. Good luck and goodbye for now.